Hi, I'm Daymon, CEO at LYRA ETK, a global medtech specialized in dental restoration. At LYRA ETK, our mission is to restore our patients' smiles with minimal risk and long-lasting results. Our ambition is to grow LYRA ETK into a major medtech player specialized in dental restoration by combining our two expertise in traditional implantology on one hand and digital technologies on the other to create unique and innovative solutions for functional and aesthetic dental restorations alike. Two, it is about using science to design our products and protocols. And last, it is about ensuring that our solutions are simple, safe, and accessible to the benefits of the dentist and patients alike.